let's explore the measure tool within MapThat. Firstly, I'm going to choose a bookmark to open up some planning applications within Liverpool. If I then go to my map tools and choose measure tools, we've got options to measure lines, new shapes, but also an existing area. If I choose the existing object tool, bring my cursor into the screen and choose a planning application, MapThat will automatically calculate the area and perimeter based on my distance units. Let's clear that option. In this case, let's choose to create a new shape. But before we do that, we're going to snap against master map. So enable snapping, choose your master map layer. Now using the place shape icon, if I bring my cursor into the screen, as soon as I start to hit master map, notice how it's snapping to that feature to allow me to more accurately snap and calculate the exact area of that feature. Over on the left hand side we've got the square area, and again because it's a shape we've got the perimeter. Have a go with the measure tools on your data.